Hi everyone, my name is Maryam Bhutta and I'm going to walk you through my digital portfolio and what I hope is a positive web presence that I have been able to create thanks to the EST 106 class that I'm taking. To start things off, I wanted to show you the actual digital portfolio that I was able to make. I wanted to keep this very clean and simple so future employers and potential collaborators would be able to see and go through my interests, resume, highlights, and everything. So for the home page, I just have my name, a little welcome note, and I decided to link my Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn accounts. And then for the About Me page, I decided to add a photo and I wanted to keep this very simple and clear. We're just introducing who I am, where I was born, what I'm currently doing, and what I would like to pursue, which is being a pediatric dentist. What I really wanted to expand on was the interest page of my digital portfolio. I really wanted future employers and anybody who's trying to either hire me, collaborate with me, or partner up with me to see all different interests that I have in case we have like a mutual interest or yeah. So I just put down everything that I was interested in and that I really worked towards and just added little notations like for a pediatric dentist. I just wrote a little bit how I worked there, my experience with it, about books, how I have a couple of short unpublished stories. I'm a coffee junkie and I know a lot about the coffee gadgets and everything. Makeup has always been a very important part of my life growing up. I've done a ton of freelance work. I've done a lot of charity work with it and I just absolutely love it. Growing up, it was so close to me, so I thought it was important to add that. I also love cooking. I love hosting, love cooking, so I added that as well. And I am also a Disney World blogger, so that was also very important for me to add. So this is where I really like to expand on everything that I'm interested in. Then I have also linked my resume, which is very important, I feel like, because now, in the digital age, people would rather go to these profiles or portfolios and just quickly review everything that you have going on or that you had going on. Like now I know it's all through technology, so this is a very important part. So I uploaded my resume just showcasing what I want to do, my qualifications, everywhere I have worked and that I'm still working. And it's very broad and I really hope that it helps in the whole hiring process and it's easy and accessible to find. The highlight section is actually somewhere I hope I can always keep adding. For now, I just have the universities that I have attended and that I am attending and that I've been working at dental practices and that I'm a Disney World blogger. The second thing I have over here is my LinkedIn account. Before this class, I actually did not have a LinkedIn account, so this is fairly new. I'm still getting around to being familiar with it, but I really like this because I know that you can connect with future employers and it's really good for jobs. It's really easy for people to finding you. I know for some hiring processes, this is what they use. So I'm actually very happy that I can, follow things that I'm very interested in, getting like places that I want to be hired at. I can always keep a lookout for it, reach out to them directly through this. So I'm really glad that I've created a LinkedIn account. So this is that. And then the very first social media account that I have created or has created, like this has been up for a couple of years now, is my Disney World account. This is actually, this was the only web presence that I've ever actually had. So this is where I started. And through this class, I've been able to even make this better, more professional looking, how to target more audience and everything. So I really like to keep this clean and simple. As you can see, I do like to add personal touches sometimes with obviously through my comments with some photos of myself, not really anything too personal because I like people to come here to look at the beautiful photos that I take, the tips and tricks onto getting on all the rides, the new food, the new attractions, which restaurants to eat at. So I'm really proud of this and I hope this really grows. I really hope to take this with me into the future. So yeah, that's the first social media account that I have. Then the second one I have is actually Twitter, and I also did not have a Twitter before this class. So I'm really happy because I know that other than just your resume and digital portfolio and your LinkedIn account, future employers, and like I said, people who would like to collaborate with you, partner up with you. This is their way of seeing who you are as a person other than just your academic or professional achievements. I steer clear of any kind of questionable, uploads, like picture uploads, or any kind of statuses. I like to really retweet things that I'm interested in, like all the hype going around in Disney World right now regarding their holiday season, where you can get the guides and all the information. I really like to keep in touch with everything that's going on in the dental world and all the dental board, as you can see right here. I follow and retweet a lot of what's going on there. Over here too, like unconsciously, it's all about Disney and dentistry as well. But I'm really happy with that. I hope that I can keep building my web presence, and I'm really glad that through this class I've been able to do that. So, and I've learned a lot through it. So, this was a tour of my digital portfolio. Thank you so much for watching.